Okay. Hmm. Sound is not yet playing. No, don't do this to me. Oh no, bro. Ah, the sound is not yet playing. Nameless.
Hey, hey, stop, stop. Are your cold emails getting lost in
Stop
spam?
what?
Facing low delivery.
Good. Perfect. Okay. I know you guys are gonna be saying, why am I getting your blue light? It's gonna come. Let's do the professor style. Perfect. Okay. Here we are. Okay. This is perfect. So, welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. This is it today, guys. This is it today. There's still a zone that I might be considering in case good sweep this. Make this whole zone as a liquidity. It's still a place. Let's make it buy zone 2. Okay. Then this is gonna be my main buy zone. And as always, I don't usually show the price levels because I usually send them in the community. So this in between here is gonna be my buy zone. Okay. But then I'm so used to this but then. Can I correct myself? Is but then a right English to say? I'm so used to that but then. Every time I keep saying but then what? Okay. Oh my god. So, welcome to today's live, and here it is today. So, how are we doing, guys? How are we doing? I think this past 2 days has been a poor live because I don't see turn up. Welcome everyone. I really don't see people coming. So, but let's see how today goes. I'm gonna be waving everybody on TikTok and on YouTube. Anybody that joins, just care to drop hi. Okay, as you're joining, just drop hi. It's not gonna take anything from you as you're joining. Also, click your screen. Click your screen. Double tap it. Okay, just double tap. Just double tap your screen. It's not gonna take anything from you. Okay, so double tap, double tap. So mind you, this is 15 minutes. This I already gave it when it was here. Said it's gonna come up all the way here, respect here, and then reverse back, respect still this zone, reverse back, take out this high here. Okay, and then it's gonna reverse back to take out all this area of demand zone, all of them here to respect this my buy zone, and then we boost up again, which was the same thing that happened yesterday. Okay, first did that, did all that, reverse back after taking this high that created that liquidity here, took it out, came back and retested into the demand zone that was here, and boom, pushed all the way up. So I'm expecting the same thing to happen again today, right? So let's see how it goes. And of course, on this 15 minutes time frame here, okay, this is 15 minutes time frame. In the next 5 minutes, it's gonna close bullish. I am gonna take that buy exactly there. Let me post. What's today's date? It's 4, right? War 1. Oh no. What just happened? Oh, I was still trying to save before I went out. So, oops. Yeah, I don't mind 15 minutes time frame, okay? Already I said it's gonna close bullish in the next 4 minutes like this. If it's gonna close bullish, I'm just gonna take the buy here, okay, and put my stop loss right below here, and let's ride it up to the zone. So let's just see what is gonna happen. This was it. This was how it was. Boom, boom. So let's see how it's gonna be. Why are you disconnecting, bro? You are connected on Ethernet cable. Why are you disconnecting? Huh? Ethernet cable, there is no any connection glitch. So, Lisa, hello, hi, welcome. Roshan and Christian, man, the names are just, I can't pronounce them though. But then welcome, welcome. Okay, even though I can't pronounce your names, don't be offended. You are still welcome. Okay, so this is exactly a support here that God is trying to respect. Let me tell you what you can see. Support here exactly. Support, support, and it has respected it. Okay, so if once in the next 1 minute this candlestick is closing, I'm gonna drop the buy in my community exactly there. I'm gonna tell them to buy. The figures will be dropped in my community only. So if you're in the community, you know that you're at advantage.
That is what the UN now calls it. The transatlantic slave trade ended centuries ago, yet its effects remain.
It's gonna be a high risk buy though, but
Resolution to acknowledge
who doesn't take risks?
What exactly does Ghana want? Is this about moral awareness or
And I'm only gonna be risking how many pips? 100 pips. Okay.
demands the return of stolen cultural artifacts.
That's only after it closes on 15 minutes like that, bullish.
Symbolic regret.
But the big question is, can financial payment heal the wounds?
And we still have like
I think it should be money because
2 minutes left.
apology you can never know.
Goodbye.
Say sorry, but when he doesn't mean it.
I think we need to be given money.
Now, UN resolutions carry no legal weight. So how does Ghana plan to make this vision real?
Especially when some nations involved in slavery abstain from the vote.
0.02
Our
bye.
ancestors did it, not us. Repeat itself.
That argument
Goodbye.
the international
4
community
8
has held
16.
current leaders, current
Right.
institutions responsible for crimes committed by people
This is a very high risk, so
Ghana insists this isn't about ranking atrocities.
who
It's
cares?
about expanding global accountability.
Yes, restorative justice for victims of the transatlantic slave trade. That is our
6.
conversation today under the Baobab.
Perfect. So let's see how it goes. 15 minutes close, respecting the support here. Buying good exactly here. Stop loss just below here at 0.6. So
A very warm welcome to
let's
you
see how it
all.
goes.
Here under the Baobab, we make Africa's complex issues personal and relatable.
And we do so every Friday of the week. We sit down here with policymakers, African leaders, politicians to talk about those stories that really matter.
Yes.
And we are urging our online community
Come
not
on,
just to be
stop that.
viewers or listeners, but to join the conversation by subscribing to our YouTube channel, DW Africa.
Of course, it is very important to join these conversations because we are
0.7.
directly, and today we are diving into Ghana's landmark UN resolution
Right.
on the transatlantic
36.
slave trade, now officially recognized as, the gravest crime against humanity. Now, the UN resolution calls for restitution of looted cultural
Guess who's
heritage,
back?
reparations, and a rethink
Okay,
of
again.
historical accountability. Mimi.
Accountability.
Are
is
you
very
guys sending me
important,
notifications?
accepting that you did something, before moving forward to,
Oh,
reparations and so
02.
on. And to help us dissect this new chapter in Africa's history, Ghana's Minister of Foreign Affairs, Minister Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, joins us under the
Oh,
baobab
what's
today.
happening?
Church, many people are just thinking
This is
that,
unlike me.
transatlantic slave trade exists
What
on the
happened?
history books. You remember when we were in
What
primary and
really
secondary schools, we
went
taught
wrong?
about this. So let's try to break it down now. During the agrarian and industrial revolutions, Europe and North America built their foundations on the backs of African labor. And we are talking about between 12 to
Unstable
15
network?
million Africans
Why are you
freed
unstable?
from the free
Come
labor
on.
that drove Europe's development at
Welcome everyone. Welcome,
The
welcome,
European
welcome.
operated a brutal
Network is
system
very,
where
very
they
stable
targeted
and good,
millions of
so
Africans
it's
and
nothing
shipped
you
them
can sell
across
me.
the ocean to work as slaves in Americas and Europe. Now, the system lasted for centuries, Mimi, and the immense suffering, lives on to today.
Yes, when we talk about labor, it looks like it was just labor that was paid. It was
Yes.
free, forced labor. Europeans, Portuguese, British, and Spanish traders.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's
Hey,
eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down.
have I forgotten that I dropped something? Where did you even reach? Okay. What the fuck? Where are we? Uh, this is so bad. Hmm? Wow. Are you being poor? Let's go there. Let's go. You can see this is where gold is currently rejecting right now. There is a support here, okay? But if it's gonna come all the way down and break the supports, then it should come and react in this next demand zone, which is where I did my arrow going up from here, from this demand up, then back into that same demand zone, going back to sweep this liquidity and then back into this buy zone, and that is that. So today is just a full blueprint for today, which is that. Let me still draw that. After this, I'm still gonna take another buy here. Okay. After it breaks this, I'm still gonna take another buy here. So let's see. song am I listening to? Why is this YouTube filled with ads? You guys don't get tired with ads. The song I keep playing keeps overlapping with ads and all that. What is it? You guys don't get tired playing ads? Okay, that is that. So you couldn't hold, right? Or are you still playing? 06 is the final bus stop. If it reaches 06, just forget it. It's not gonna hold there, but I'm gonna buy here after it reaches 06. That's the first stop loss for buying here, around here, 06. So I'm gonna buy again in this zone, exactly here. In fact, 96, right? Yeah. And this is gonna be the next target for this high here. As you can see, it has gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is what is currently holding good here. This support here, so still holding, still holding. Sorry. Nearly cannot kill a bird. Let me relax. Let's relax and see what the market has for us. We have all the whole time. There's always opportunities on opportunities on opportunities on opportunities. So there's nothing to be remorse about. This one feels the market is open for more than 12 hours. In fact, almost 24 hours. Market is open 24 hours a day. Okay, from 11 in the night to 11 the next day. It closes by 10, so 24 hours according to my time. So you have a whole opportunity to get anything from the market, to get something from the market, and that will happen when you don't chase the market, okay? Because you feel that you took an entry now and it hit stop loss, then you feel like let you start rushing and entering the market, enter. Bro, sorry for you. You're gonna get cooked. Okay, so don't rush into the markets. Like I took a buy now and it's heading to stop loss at 06. I'm still gonna be patient for this next N3 here, and I'm gonna take this out, and that's that. So I'm still gonna buy again there at 96. Let me still leave that because this might be a stop loss hunter, but then it's 4796, 4786, 726. I'm going back. I'm leaving up. All right. Let's UV. Oh my God. Okay. Let me stream my own. Coming, guys.
With your smile, now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 Safe and sound.
Okay. I'm back. I'm back. You see, that was that was exactly what I was saying. This is where gold is trying to react. I don't know why it even came all the way down back again to here 05. That's crazy. Why is my voice cracking? Why is my voice cracking? Huh. Okay. I'm a professor, guys. No one is asking me questions. How are you guys doing? What's going on today? Okay, what's going on? How's your trading going?
Often hailed as the queen of Afrobeats, more recently she's been proving her ability to straddle genres like R&B whenever she feels like it, reminding the world that the foundation of all modern music begins in
What the
Africa.
freaking? Oh yes, what's this? Neighbor.
Please welcome to the stage the sensation, Tiwa Savage.
What type of reaction are we looking at? Hey, bro. Looking good, brother. I'm always looking good. Okay, so this waiting for 1,000 pips. Man, Trump hasn't allowed us get a 1,000 pips, but I don't know why my voice. Why is my voice cracking like that? Is there something wrong? Okay, I think it's okay now. Oh, I know what I did. I was the one that I put too much noise suppression so that too much noise. So this is 9 minutes to this candlestick. This is where gold is currently reacting right now. There's a support here that is currently reacting on, and you might actually call it is still doing the same thing. So I'm seeing gold buying all the way from here to here, 36, coming back again to here, or if it's gonna buy all the way from here. I don't like this. I don't like the way my voice is sounding, bro. The feedback is just, I think since I connected, because I connected this Ethernet cable with Starlink, I don't know. Has been something. So you're in a gambling mode, bro. It's just gold is too bullish today, so it's just very bullish. Okay, so don't gamble your way into don't gamble your way into trading. Okay, so gold is gonna get into at least 36. This is a support it just reacted, and if you're good enough, you can see enough. This is head, shoulder, shoulder. So tapping into the zone here. So it's gonna push all the way from here by and then take out this high here. I expect it to reverse back into this buy zone. Take out all this demand here, serve them as liquidity, and boom. This is a 1,700 plus pips full margin and pray. Why should you be? Don't ever indulge in full margin, guys. I will never advise anyone to indulge in full margin. Okay, I will never look at gold. I'll never indulge. I will never advise anyone to go full margin. Okay, do not ever.
My mom teaches me new things every day. That's how mama grows. In the little things nobody knows. My mom is the best cook in the world. Helping hands, heart that shows. My mom always takes care of everyone. That's how mama grows.
That is, this is my first time joining your live. It's just looking bullish. Yes, gold is bullish, but fine. Come on, I don't. What's wrong with my voice? Why is this somehow cracking, glitching?
Because the heart of a great mother is shaped long before she ever becomes.
Well, I'm just gonna leave it like that. As long as everyone is hearing me, let's just forget about that some kind sound. I think I reduced the bit rate, so that's why. So what I'm saying is gold is very bullish, but bro, there is Trump. Okay, aside gold being bullish, there is Mr. Trump. There is this man here, Trump. I agree to suspend the bombing and attack of Iran for a period of 2 weeks. You can see what this man just said. Only, and gold just started flying and pumping as if this man just keeps tweeting and tweeting and tweeting and tweeting. I'll advise you, okay? I'll advise you, if you want to be trading, just follow this. In fact, install this truth blah 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 and sign up, okay? And always follow Donald Trump. I'm telling you, follow this man, because he usually tweets he drops posts here. He doesn't even drop on Twitter, he only drops here. So 3 hours ago, he dropped this 3 hours ago, and you will see what market goes. So this man just follow his account on this truth app. That's the only place, that's the only thing that can save you. That's the only thing I can say, because this man, everything he says doesn't even follow analysis. If you like, analyze what you want to analyze, but once this man just drop one thing here, boom. I feel like flipping an account. You feel like flipping an account, don't feel that. And it's also an example possible to flip your account to zero. So I have which app? I don't think, sometimes if you try to register on the app, I think the app is only for United States residents. try to create account, sign in. I think it will just do that. The app is Truth app. You're gonna see, if you type Truth on your Play Store, App Store, you're gonna see the app. That is the app. Or you go to the website truthsocial.com. You're gonna see Donald Trump there, and new to truth, register, blah blah blah. This is where this man always drop his tweets. Okay, Donald Trump, real Donald Trump. There, you always see this man dropping reactions there every hour and then. So if you see on Forex Factory, you see from truth. Okay, Trump, I agree, and that. What's today? There is no any high impact news, bro. But once this man just dropped any share, bro, market respect his. Literally did the same thing last night at 11:30. He cancelled the war, declared victory, and opened the streets all at the same time. So what do you expect? Market is just gonna just do everything according to this man. So I'm already tired with this man, bro. This man is monitoring me. He's after my life. Zero four. Really drove everyone mental. Oh, you just come. He keeps giving empty threat. Today he's saying the war has ended. Tomorrow he'll say he's sending strikes to. Oh God. I don't know what's wrong with that man. Dude.
Kids at home. This week on Indomie Fan Club House. Dear Mama Do Good. What is wrong with you? Now, the recipe for the day is just about cooling off. Don't raise your voice like a beast. Just keep your cool. Just keep your cool. Nice work, kid. This man doesn't know what he's saying again. He's just so confused.
The moment I saw his truths, I checked the price of oil and went long after the dump. Easy money. Yeah, sometimes it's even happened before his tweet self. So, because you know the bees, yes, he said last light will be picked apart this week. That man is just doing empty threats. Okay, I don't think anything is gonna happen to Iran. It's just they're just using us to catch cruise. Hello, Hurricane. I'm not Hurricane, bro. I'm Hurricane Tornado. The force of wind, or what's the meaning of hurricane? I think it's swirling wind in the water or in the sea, right? So they're just using us to manipulate the market and do whatever they want, probably reserving oil and that and becoming the world power. So we just have to be following them as it is. Do we even have choice? We don't. Sorry for that. G. What's the SL for the setup? Well, the setup has been dropped in my community, so there is no need to panic. Okay, if you want the setup, you need to be in my community. Okay, so there's nothing to panic. $33. Hmm. Oh shit! This should be it. We have. When have you lived in a world where an American president will just bluntly like to get his result in that moment? It's not possible, bro. It's never going to be easy to just destroy a whole country, a whole Iran, just like that. For what? For not for because that's World War III or even World War V. It's not possible. You just wake up and just say you're going to nuke the whole of Iran. For what reason? It's just not possible, bro. It's just not possible. All that are just empty threats to manipulate the market. I'm 100% sure all those things are just filthy threats. Nothing is gonna happen. This world is still gonna be the way it is. So all those things are just used to manipulate this market for us, we the traders. So he's just trying to manipulate the market. Nothing is gonna happen. Once he just wake up and just drop a shit with market will just nose dive and do whatever it wants to do. he wake up again and drop another one again. Markets will just dance all the way up. So just let that man be. That man, he alone knows what he's doing. They know what they are doing. They know exactly what they are doing. They know what they are doing. So let them continue. Meanwhile, it's for us to pray to get the market exactly at where they don't expect us to get it. Okay, they just enter that bullish. Imagine I wasn't, bro. I wasn't even active when all this happened. Okay, this was where I dropped. I think I dropped my sell entry somewhere. Where is the setup for that sell entry? Where is it? It's on this other chart. I think I dropped my sell entry on the live somewhere around here. It came, tapped it, reversed back. It did not even tap it. It just slightly tapped it, almost with pips. Reversed back. Then the next one just came and boom, took it out. So I had gotten that sell, or in fact, gotten this buy because I saw this buy. I already saw this. I preached it in my live. I said this is liquidity 1, 2, 3, and I said if good is gonna sweep this liquidity, expect it to respect anywhere close by and start buying. I wasn't active to even notice all this. I just set my sell limits and immediately I received the alert, and so it has already tapped it back here up to here, and then boom, reverse back again after like 200 500 pips. So that is that. So
by buying any Coca-Cola beverage. Scan the QR code on the crown of the glass bottle or on the PET bottle label. Look under the cap or crown
So
for a unique 10-character code. Type in the code where it shows you, and boom, you're in. Full details
man, today is just gonna be, at least I gave a buy entry on live. Okay, so even though I end this live anytime now, yes, at least I achieved something. Okay, it didn't go, I didn't leave everyone empty handed. Oh, thank God, I'm so happy. Jesus, thank God. This is so surprising, bro. That was a beautiful setup. Okay, you mean this setup? This one here, this was shared in the community. We said buy gold around 45.50. Okay, 45.50 here, and stop loss was just 100 pips. Exactly, and boom, swept, gaps. That's after here. I should have even bought around here. Okay, around here after this liquidity, but I wasn't active. I hate it when I'm not active on my PC and market goes, but then I still got it and held it. That's power of holding. I held. So this is where good is currently reacting. I hate what it's currently doing here. Just go up or just come back, react here, buy, and then let's ride it up. Just do one. Okay. I don't know why you keep keep doing rubbish in one place. Let me see, where is TikTok? TikTok live. Let's join TikTok and see. I hope TikTok also is not cracking too. So TikTok is very clear like this. So it's YouTube that is just messing up. Mm. Okay, so TikTok is very clear like this, and YouTube is just messing up. Wow, I never knew. Guess who's back? Okay, okay. I know, love you. So if you'll be streaming this on HD, bro. Guys, don't forget to type your screens, like, share, comment, like, share, comment, like, share, comment. This bro is not gonna allow me. Trump, bro. 1, 2, 3. What? Am I doing 1, 2, 3 posts now? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Good. After 1, 2, 3, then we get this. Instead of 2, 3 is better. Live recordings. Oh, you guys have those things. I don't know. Chat is hyped. Oh, I keep saying this, but I haven't really observed it. Let's post this about that. Bro, finally allowed me, please. No, I am not interested. All this IB, 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 IB. I am tired of listening to you guys. Okay, I'm affiliated to more than 5 brokers. So I don't need more. I don't need more. You guys should just relax. I am seeing your nice trading contents, blah, this and that. Can you? I have rubbish broker, something market, this and that market, this and that content. Are you interested in doing IB with us? Register. Huh, bro. Xness and Xness only. I just had to because of some of my clients are complaining that Xness is banned. I think mostly Indians say Xness is banned. Simply because you guys keep disturbing Xness. I'm telling you, you guys don't relax. Indians, I don't know. You guys never relax. You guys are never patient. Once you put straight like this and maybe you place withdrawal, it doesn't appear immediately. You start disturbing support, insulting them, and you guys can insult. They can insult. They are never patient. They can type 50 messages in 1 second. So I'm definitely sure that was the reason Xness had to just ban it to just rest from you people's problem. And I had to go for Just Market because of that. But aside that, it's only Xness and Xness alone. Okay, only Xness and Xness alone. So okay, guys. Bro, that's 1 hour already on live. We both here scalped it up onto 1 to 100 pips. I'm gonna wait for good to get down to here. Set your buy limits here at 97, 96. Take it when it gets there. Target this high, and then it takes out this high. Target to sell back down to here, and that's the analysis for today. It's already 1 hour, and thank you for following. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. This is gonna be the end for today. See you guys on the next live. So don't forget to click the link in my bio and join my Telegram community where I drop all these setups for free. Entry points. So see you guys on the next live.